Today I'm going to be unboxing an iPhone 13 Pro Max. And what I'm going to do... Oh wow, it just came off like freaking butter. Let's go ahead and just start that. So it comes off nice and evenly. There we go. Give the phone a good shake and wake up to the world like what Biden did to America. Alright, so this comes with some paper thing on your screen so you can't really see it. And of course, they were cheap bastards and didn't want to put a power plug in. They're trying to say, oh, it's for the environment. Ooh. They give you some little card in here that literally does nothing. They give you a little sticker so you try to feel like you're important or something. Be like, look, I got an Apple sticker. You don't get this with Samsung. But now you gotta buy a fucking charging brick. Because those cheap bastards don't want to give you a fucking charging brick. And come up with the same bullshit excuse of, oh, the environment, this and that. It's like, bro, that's why you're selling it for like 30 bucks. I'll just go to Five Below and get one for 5 bucks. I don't care. You guys are Jews. And that's your iPhone 13 unboxing. And this, I'm going to leave the screen thingy over it until I get a screen protector. Because, no, my luck, these things are so delicate that they'll scratch easy. And what they did, it really is actually really nice, is they put this nice little texture over the back of it. It's like kind of like paper. So I hope that's not glass like I did with the other chintzy phones before. Like a new silver side. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Ooh, it's like a mirror. Ooh, silver. And yeah, that's the unboxing for your iPhone 13. Hope you enjoyed.